In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a multiple-choice question paper using Google Forms. Whether you're a teacher looking to streamline your quizzes or someone who needs to gather information easily, Google Forms is an excellent tool for creating interactive and engaging forms. Let's dive in and get started with crafting your multiple-choice questionnaire. To begin, you'll need to have a Google account. If you don't already have one, it's easy to sign up on the Google homepage. Once you're logged in, head over to Google Forms, which you can find by simply searching for it or by navigating to the Google Drive interface and selecting Forms from the new menu. This will open up a blank form where you can start creating your question paper. The first step is to give your form a title. Click on the field labeled Untitled Form and type in the name of your quiz or survey. This could be straightforward, like History Quiz, or something more descriptive. Directly below, there's space for a form description, where you can provide instructions or context for those who will be filling out your form. This is especially helpful if you want to convey specific guidelines or details about the quiz format. Now that your basic setup is ready, it's time to add questions. By default, the first question is set to multiple choice, which is exactly what we need. Click where it says Untitled Question to type in your first question. Feel free to add as many options as necessary under the question field, creating a comprehensive set of possible answers. If you need to add more than one question, simply click the plus icon on the right toolbar to insert additional queries. One great feature of Google Forms is the ability to mark questions as required, ensuring that respondents must answer before moving on. To activate this, toggle the Required button at the bottom of each question. Another tip is to shuffle option order by clicking the three-dot icon at the bottom right of a question box. This randomizes the answer choices for each participant, adding a layer of fairness and preventing answer sharing. Once all your questions are in place, it might be useful to preview your form. Click on the eye icon at the top right corner to see how your quiz looks from a participant's perspective. This preview helps ensure everything appears correctly and functions as intended. Finally, to distribute your quiz, hit the Send button. You can share it via email, a direct link, or even embed it on a website. Google Forms also offers a handy option to collect email addresses if you require them. And there you have it, your multiple-choice question paper is ready to go. With Google Forms, managing and analyzing responses becomes seamless, enabling you to gather insights with ease. Thanks for watching, and good luck with your quizzes.